Hello everyone, good morning. Uh, Today is March 21, 2021. So malapit na po matapos yung March. Kumusta po kayo dyan? May fellow OFWs around the world. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Engineer Edwin Bilan. Thank you for your support. And yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's already 9:40 in the morning. So as usual, we will check the PCI, kung ano po yung price movement ni PCI ngayong araw. The trading already started 9:30 in the morning. So we know that PCI is a downtrend now. So I hope na we're hoping that PCI will recover, but the current position is in a downtrend because it is below all the exponential moving averages. But before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that there is no recommendation to buy, to share, to sell, or to hold your position. This is only purely for educational purposes. To study the support and the resistance. We know that support and resistance is very much important in the stock market. This is the basis where we buy and we will where we sell our position. So let's go to the chart. Tingnan natin kung ano po yung mga most active top gainers and top losers for today as of 9:42 in the morning. So this is the chart of Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So it's down by 0.01%. But for me, my opinion for PCI still is in a downward movement. So we'll check this incline support. Kung mag-hold yung incline support ni PCI. But as I said, our market, the PCI is still in a downtrend. So we need to wait if there is a accumulation we see the PCI. But for now, we did not see any pattern created for PCI. So we'll wait if there is a pattern created created by PCI. If there is a bullish pattern. So it's trying to going up, but still there is a rejection as of 9:43 in the morning. So we'll see if this incline support, if the PCI will going back on this area. But we need to watch this line na hindi ma-break ni PCI. So we'll see, still it is a bearish sentiment for PCI for me, but it's depend on your analysis. But for me, it's still in a bearish direction because it is in a downtrend. So we see it is below all the exponential moving averages. Sana maka-recover yung market. Ngayon, nahihirap pa yung nag-downtrend pa rin yung market natin. So we'll check the most active. Natin yung most active as of 9:44 in the morning. So the most active here is one is the D2. We'll check the movement of D2 Corporation. Shout out to Manny Davis and Francis Amparo. to Kate Jason and Rhea Montelia, and to John Marching and Rap Levy Morano and Minard Castro, Will Odnok, and Ivan Dave Iwakiri, to Candy Marias and Red Lincoln and Patricia Siasat, and to Dave Maipan. Thank you for your support, and to AK Bordado and Christian Amlug. Thank you for your support, Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Cas Richard Dorono and Engineer Virgilio Magno. Thank you for your support. So this is the most active as of 9:45 in the morning. Day 2. If you see the moment of Dito is going sideways. So for me, I need more price pattern or bullish pattern for Dito. So we need to see if he will break a pattern. But for now, still possible he will going back if he will close green today. Possible he will going up to this horizontal resistance here. If ever he will close green today, we will see another movement of dito. Still, he's going sideways. Tingnan natin yung movement of dito. So if you are a daily trader, you can check in the lower time frame. But if you are a swing trader, so this is not the right time for me to enter dito. I need to wait if there is a bullish pattern created for dito. So we'll see another one, APL. Now the top losers is top losers at 9 as of 9:47 is OB. Is down by 8.33 percent. APL, if you see the movement now, there is a minor resistance here in this area here. There's a minor resistance for EPL. So if ever EPL will not climb on this area above on this minor resistance, and it will going back to this support line, this line. So this is a sign of weakness for EPL. So we need the EPL to climb on this horizontal resistance. If you buy here in the bottom, we need to see if the price of EPL will break on this horizontal resistance. But if not, if you're going back, so this is the sign of weakness. Possible he will break this horizontal support, this line. So just watch if there is no rejection. Now he is in the resistance area now, the minor resistance. So just watch if the price will break on that horizontal resistance. If you see the MACD is above 25, but the ADX rather is above 25. MACD is below the zero line, but still it did not cross the red line. So just see this horizontal support resistance and then ma-break ni EPN. So take note that if ever hindi ni ma-break ni EPL, there is a sign of loss of momentum. Now the momentum is weak, but pag hindi niya ma-break yan, of course, he will not going up on this inclined resistance. So the uh, bullish sentiment for APL if we will climb back because he's creating a pattern, but we need him to going back on this incline resistance. So if not, so this is another sign of weak momentum. So possible we will break this. As I said, this support line, this area. We'll see another most active is there is a pure gold. And now we see some of the companies in green. Shout out to Henry Six of Italia and to Jonathan Ho, to Louis Patrick Dublois, to my nephew, Engineer Kenneth ACAS, and Engineer Eliza Jean Glory. And thank you for your support to Coach Marquez and El Espiritu, to Engineer Enrique Lumontan. Thank you for your support. To Engineer Larry Amoges and Engineer Peter Dominic Bergoni and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat. Thank you for your support. So we'll see the pure gold. Pure gold is breaking this inclined resistance. This is a downward movement of pure gold. Now, what we will see for pure gold, for me, there is a rejection in this area here yesterday. This one here is become a resistant, this line. So this is the area we need to watch if pure gold create a he's in this area, this resistant area, and if there is a pullback and create a pattern, then this is the time we need to see if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance. If there's a pattern created for pure gold. But for now, we need to wait another pullback if ever there's a pullback for pure gold because now it is in the resistant area. So for me, I will not aggressive for pure gold. For now, I will wait another pattern created in this area. But in the downtrend movement, he already break this incline resistance, this downtrend line. So what we need to see only the pattern for pure gold if there is a bullish pattern. So I will shoot to you for me my one of my uh, example. If the stock is in a downtrend, I will show you one example. We will see MRC. Shout out to Engineer Lorito Purpose, Engineer Edwin Vergara, and to Engineer Jonas Espijo and Engineer Mitchell Atas. Thank you for your support. Now, this is the area we need to see for MRC. This is only just example. MRC on this area, on this price movement, is going downtrend. So this is a downtrend movement of MRC. So back. So this area you need. This is your business here. This is the uh, area that MRC going fallback. So we need to watch if MRC will create the bullish pattern in this area. If you see here, the price is going up. Again, the price is decreasing. And the price is not going back on this lower area of this price here. So it's just only above on this moving averages. So when the price break this horizontal resistance, then the price is going up. So coming from the downtrend, going sideways, and if there is a breakout of the horizontal resistance, this is the time we need to see for any stock that is coming from the downtrend. First break, we need to see if there's a pullback, and then if the price going back again, this is the time we need to see if the price going sideways and break this horizontal resistance. So this is the one we need to watch for the stock in the downtrend. If we break the downtrend line, so the same with the pure gold, this is the one we need to see if we will create a pattern. I will give you another example. We'll see dito again. We need to watch always the stock if it's coming from the downtrend and then going sideways. This is the area that we need to see if there's a breakout. So if you see dito here, dito is going down. Going down, he is in a downtrend. So when the price going up and then there is a pullback, he break this horizontal resistance because is going sideways. So when there's a breakout, so this is a good time we need to see for any stock. Even here in this area, you can use this downtrend. And if there's a sideways movement, there is a sideways movement here, then it is going up. So we need to see if it's coming from the downtrend. So if we break the downtrend resistance, this is the area we need to see if there is a breakout of the horizontal resistance. So we don't want to be aggressive. We need to wait if there is a pattern created. So this is the one we need to see for pure gold. I will see another one, PHA. PHA, you'll see if it's coming from the downtrend and then going sideways. And this is the time we need to watch if it's going sideways. See here, coming from the downtrend and going sideways, and then there's a breakout, then the price is going up. So any stock, just check if there is a sideways movement coming from the downtrend and creating a pattern. We'll try one here, BC. Here's the top losers today. So, ganyan lang po yung hindi po kailangan na you need to be aggressive. You need to watch if there is a pattern created. Binggit Corporation is going up. See in this area here, BC is in a downtrend. Is in a downtrend on this area. Now, when you break the downtrend line or the EMI 200, also this green line, the high price of the BC, this area here. When you break the when you break the downtrend, this is the high So when the price is going down, most of the stock now need to watch if there is a breakout of the downtrend line, and then he's going sideways, just plot the high of uh, kung saan siya nagano yung pinaka-high niya galing sa may downtrend line. Then if it's going sideways, this is the time we need to see if there's a breakout of that horizontal resistance. Seem like this. Shout out to Idol Duty Explorers. Thank you for your support. This is the same analysis in a downtrend. There's a breakout. Was if there is a sideways movement. The same analysis in the uptrend. If there is a breakout of this inclined support. So now we see here, there's a breakout of the inclined support. So the BC is going down. So now BC is in a downtrend because it's below all the exponential moving averages. So ganyan lang po yung mag-trade sa ganyan lang po yung style na ginagawa ko sa my trading now. Before the first time when I entered the stock market, I just buy if the price is going up, bibili ng bibili. So pagkatapos ng mga ilang araw o ilang linggo, the price is going down. So we need to make a procedure. So we need to create a procedure on how to buy, how to spot the upward momentum of the stock. So yan, ganyan lang yan. This is a downtrend. If we break the downtrend, if there is a breakout, if there is a swing, this is the only first swing going up. So don't think that this price will going up immediately. After the break of the downtrend line, possible is going sideways, and this is the time we need to watch if there is a breakout of the horizontal resistance. I will show another sample. We'll see what stock we not want to see. We'll see this BDO. BDO is in the most active. So pag ang downtrend na yung stock, we do not want to be aggressive. We need to wait if there is a pattern created. So nag-bounce naman si BDO. But again, BDO price is below all the exponential moving averages. So kung makita natin dito yung mga line, yung blue, red, and green and orange, madikit na po yung mga lines. So mahirap po yan ma-penetrate yung price. So I see there is a loss of momentum for BDO because hindi na siya umabot dito sa may incline resistance, this line. So we need to wait if we will go back above all the exponential moving averages. Because there's a possibility that BDO will break this incline support because yung momentum po niya ay umihina. So if you see here, when the price of BDO is going down, there is a sideways movement in this area. So you notice there is a sideways movement here. When the price break this, the price is going up. So ito lang pong titingnan natin if there is a sideways movement. But for now, I will draw a horizontal support here. This area here, this is a horizontal support. Because when the price hitting on this area, there's a bounce. Now if you see here, yung price hindi na po bumalik dito sa may bottom line of this line, this horizontal support. Hindi na siya bumabalik. So it means there is the aggressiveness of the buyer on this time here, last November. So when they break the horizontal resistance, this area, because this is the resistance, because when the price hitting this area, there's a pullback. So when they break it, sa may dito sa stock market, we don't want to be aggressive all the time. We need to watch if there is a bullish pattern created. Even if you put EC nickel, I will show to you the nickel. Nickel is going up in the previous months. See, this is the nickel chart. When the price is below all the exponential moving averages, it is a downtrend. Here, this area, it is a downtrend. Now, what you will do, for me, in my style, I will draw a line, this incline resistance. It will called as incline resistance because when the price hitting on this area, there is a pullback. Now, when you see here, on this area, there is a breakout of this incline resistance. So it means, ibig sabihin yan, may counting ano na po yung nickel kasi na-break na po niyo yung downtrend line. So when he break it, the high price is here. So there is a pullback. So it means draw this line. This line, this is the high when the first break of this downtrend line. Draw this one. And just monitor if this line ay ma-break ni nickel. So when the price na-break ni nickel dito, this one serve as a support. Dito, nag-bounce po si nickel dito sa area. So nickel is going up. So ganyan lang po, no? From the downtrend, going sideways movement, hintayin natin kung ma-break yung horizontal resistance, this line. So but now we see nickel is below the two exponential moving averages. So it means it is we call it as trend in adjustment. So this is not the time we need to be aggressive for nickel. We need to wait for another price movement of nickel if there is a bullish pattern created. But for now, for me, I will not be aggressive for nickel. So I hope you learn something about this discussion. It's very much important, support and resistance. So yun lang po yung ano natin dyan na support and resistance. So if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. And we will continue studying support and resistance. It's very much important. So before I go, I will shout out to my viewers and to all the supporters. Thank you for your support. To Engineer Edwin Bilan and Idol Dot Explorers. Thank you very much. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.